So let's start with the second part, that is the black aeroplane. Anyone who can get any idea out of this title? Any idea that comes in your mind about this title, the black aeroplane? Why the aeroplane is called as black? Anyone having any idea regarding this? You can share your views. Please raise your hands and share your views about this. If any idea comes. Black word जो है किस चीज को रेफर करता है? Mostly generally हम क्या लेते हैं टैग से meaning? Yes, Jagdishwar, you have raised hand. What do you want to say?
From black aeroplane may mean that aeroplane, the people who were riding the aeroplane that day may have a very bad day or something.
Okay. That
Or
bad experience about the passengers.
yes.
Yes, Preetko, what do you want to say, beta?
Ma'am, the idea which comes in my mind is that maybe on the plane would be crashing, and that would be a very bad day for the pilot also.
Yes, it may be bad day for the pilot, for the passengers, as Jagdishwar has said. Yes, Archana, beta, what do you want to say? What is your opinion?
Ma'am, the idea which comes to my mind after reading the black aeroplane, the title of the story is that maybe the aeroplane is somewhere stuck in black clouds or storm, and it is difficult experience for them to fly through that storm.
Yes, it may be black refers to the dark clouds. Yes, and the aeroplane might stuck there, and very difficult time for the pilot to come out of that situation. Yes, anyone else? Greg Bajaj? Yes, what is your opinion? You are also raising hand. Yes, what idea comes in your mind? Yes, Greg Beta?
Ma'am, the aeroplane, black aeroplane may suggest that there was something happening that can be marked as a black day in that history, or the color of the aeroplane may be black.
Yes, it may be referring to the color of the aeroplane. Okay, you all got different ideas. Okay. Now, what we are going to have in this part of the story, because the title of our chapter is Two Stories About Flying. The first part we have read, that was about the flying of a bird, how the young seagull learned, and here it is about the aeroplane that also flies. Okay. First thing, that both the stories are referred to the flying. Now, in this story, what the idea or the theme the writer has taken, that it is difficult to decide whether the story is a mystery story or not. आपको story पढ़ने के बाद लगेगा कि you are not able to decide whether it is a mystery, कोई suspense था story में या क्या था ये. You are not able to decide. A mystery is a happening which goes beyond any rational explanation. आप कोई rational, reasonable explanation उसकी नहीं दे सकते हो. कोई आपके पास reason नहीं आता उस problem का, जो that is a mystery. एक suspense सा लगता है आपको. We cannot say who was the pilot of the mysterious black aeroplane, who guided the writer to land his aeroplane at the place of Dakota safely amidst a dangerous storm. So we are not clear about the reasoning of the story at the end. What happens? There is a pilot who starts his pilot and he goes through the black clouds. Black here refers to the clouds. Actually, बहुत ज़्यादा तूफानी जो एटमॉस्फेयर था, डेंजरस स्टॉर्म था जिसके बीच में से वो क्रॉस करता है, और कुछ दूरी पर चलने के बाद ही फेल्ट कि उसके पेट्रोल टैंक में ऑयल भी बहुत कम है और ना वो पीछे जा सकता था, और उसको डाउट था कि कहीं वो रास्ते में प्रॉब्लम ना हो जाए उसको शॉर्टेज ऑफ ऑयल की वजह से. But he wanted to go forward and meet his family. He was going back to his home to England. Was coming back from France to England where his family was, and he was very excited to meet his family and have his breakfast with his family. But somehow he was very afraid of all these things. His system and his devices stopped working due to the storm and the clouds. And he was in doubt whether he would reach there safely or not. Suddenly, he found another aeroplane coming, and he saw that the pilot of that aeroplane was calling him to follow. कि वो उसको इशारा करके बता रहा था कि वो उसको फॉलो करे. एंड ही फेल्ट रिलीव्ड कि इस तूफानी मौसम में उसको जहाँ डायरेक्शंस और रास्ता नहीं पता चल रहे थे बिकॉज उसकी डिवाइसेस सारी डेड हो चुकी थी. He followed that aeroplane and he got the support of that aeroplane and he reached there safely on the airport. But when he inquired about that second aeroplane who guided him, who led him, because he wanted to say thanks to that pilot who guided him. And he was told, it was very surprising thing for him that he was told by the lady who was sitting at the station, who was getting the whole information. She told that there was no other aeroplane in the sky on the route. His was the only one. कोई एरोप्लेन नहीं था उस रूट के ऊपर. लेकिन उसको कैसे महसूस हुआ कि कोई एरोप्लेन उसको क्रॉस कर रहा है और पायलट ने उसको इशारा किया उसका पीछा करने के लिए कि उसको वो फॉलो करे एंड ही वुड बी सेफ. So at the end we are surprised and we are wondered. We are in suspense to think over who that pilot was and whether there was any aeroplane or not, or it was his willpower or the strong desire to reach to his family that was there. But once we are told in between the story that he felt very nervous also, he wanted to go back due to all these problems. But somehow at the end of the story, no suspense is unfold. कोई हमें आंसर इस चीज का जो है वो नहीं मिलता. So we are only left with the idea that it was a strong willpower that he continued and he had confidence in himself. His desire to meet his family was more stronger and he reached there. So we are however certain that the story points out to the heroic spirit of the narrator who did not lose his nerve despite seemingly insurmountable obstacles. बहुत difficult problems और obstacles आई उसके रास्ते में, लेकिन उसने हिम्मत नहीं छोड़ी. He continued to make sincere efforts with courage, and that's why he succeeded in landing his plane safely. And the pilot of the mysterious plane might be a figment of his own fertile imagination. It may be his imagination only that he thought that he saw some aeroplane and some pilot who just guided him and he followed him. Now let's read and see what happens. The moon was coming up in the east behind me and the stars were shining in the clear sky. The writer of the story, or you can say the narrator, is explaining his own experience. So I is used here. First person explanation is given to you in this story because as we are told, it is about his personal experience. It is a mysterious event that has been a strange experience that has been explained to us. And black word here refers to the mysterious ideas. So what he says, the moon was coming up in the east behind me and stars were shining in the clear sky above me. बिल्कुल आकाश clear था, stars were there, moon was there. There was not a cloud in the sky. कोई cloud नहीं थी sky में. I was happy to be alone high up above the sleeping countryside. पूरा country जो था वो सो रहा था और उसके ऊपर क्या था, मैं अपने आप को खुश महसूस कर रहा था. That I was alone high up in the sky. I was flying my old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England. He's underlined that he was flying his old Dakota, that was the name of the aeroplane, old Dakota, and he was going from France back to England. I was dreaming of my holiday and looking forward to being with my family. He was having a dream to spend his holidays with his family in a good way, and he was imagining that he would have a good time with his family. I looked at my watch, 1:30 in the morning. The time was 1:30 in the morning when he was flying in the sky. The sky was very much clear and he was dreaming and imagining having good holidays with his family. I should call Paris control room soon, I thought. As I looked down past the nose of the airplane, I saw the lights of a big city in front of me. He just looked outside from the nose of the airplane and he saw the lights of the big city, and he was thinking and planning that he should call the Paris control room. I switched on the radio and said, just to convey the message information, he switched on his radio and said, Paris control room, Dakota DS 08